You just had your rhinoplasty consult. Let's go over some stuff that maybe you didn't remember to ask that day. So, the thing about rhinoplasty, remember, is that everyone's nose is completely different, so your surgery is going to be different than maybe a friend or family member that had the same procedure. That means not only will the techniques that I use be different, but your recovery will be different. In general, it takes a good solid year to see your final result. So don't be too quick to judge it. Give it a few months, but also give it that full year to be satisfied with your rhinoplasty. I can tell you that you will be happy, but there will be days that you may not be super thrilled about it. The next thing to remember is that it's not an overly painful procedure. Even though we're, chiseling and cutting and doing these things, we give you some pain medication, and I do that, but I don't think it's an overly painful procedure. You'll have a little bit of social downtime, maybe a week or so of bruising and swelling, but after that, it's fairly straightforward. You can go back to normal activities, you can cook, you can clean, you can see your friends. For the most part, most people probably won't know you had anything done. You can go to the supermarket. Your friends and family, they'll probably know that something was done because you'll be a little swollen and maybe black and blue around the eyes. What can I say about your expectations? All patients that want a rhinoplasty come in to see me and we do a full scope consultation. That consultation takes place where we morph your photos, show you what things you can expect, what you might be interested in. We have a really open discussion about how things are going to look. I can't guarantee they're going to look exactly like your photo, although I try to get as close as possible. Sometimes we even make them better than the picture. But I think the main thing to remember is that rhinoplasty very much is an art as much as a science. My techniques are very different than maybe somebody down the street, but I can tell you I would take care of you just like I would a family member. If you're interested in a rhinoplasty or interested in booking your surgery, give me a call. You know where to find me.